My name is Desmond Okachukwu Diala. I am an online student of Brigham Young University, Idaho. Today I will be presenting on nutrition and healthy eating. According to Wikipedia's definition, nutrition is the biochemical and physiological process by which an organism uses food to support its life. Here are 3 types of nutrition I listed. 1. We have human nutrition, animal nutrition, and plant nutrition. But I will be concentrating more on human nutrition. Human nutrition is associated with the provision of essential nutrients in food that are necessary to support human life and good health. One may ask, what is nutrient? According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, nutrient is a substance or ingredient that promotes growth, provides energy, and maintains life. A healthy human diet involves 7 different kinds of nutrients, namely carbohydrates, fats, fiber, protein, water, minerals, and vitamins. As an adult, I listed few guides that will help you maintain a healthy living. 1. Base your meal on higher fiber starchy carbohydrates. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Eat your breakfast regularly. Eat more of fish. Eat little of salt, not more than 5 grams a day. Reduce the high intake of saturated fat and sugar. Get active and maintain a healthy weight. In order to elaborate more, I have taken step by step the guide listed. Base your meal on higher fiber starchy carbohydrates. It is important to note that starchy foods are a good source of energy and the main source of a range of nutrients in our diet. As well as starch, they contain fiber, calcium, iron, and vitamins B. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. It is of importance to know that scientific research shows that by regularly eating lots of fruits and vegetables, you have a lower risk of the following diseases. 1. Type 2 diabetes, stroke, heart disease, cancer, and high blood pressure, which is also known as hypertension. Eat your breakfast regularly. I want you to also know that scientifically it has been proven that people who don't have breakfast or people who don't regularly eat their breakfast have a high risk of both obesity and type 2 diabetes than those who regularly eat breakfast tend to. Eat more of fish, especially oil fish. Some evidence-based health benefits of eating fish includes: eating fish may lower your risk of heart attacks and stroke. It may also boost brain health. Eating more of fish may help prevent and treat depression. And it is also a good dietary source of vitamin D. Eat little of salt. Eat little of salt, more than 5 grams a day. If you have heart disease or congestive heart failure, eating a lot of salt can cause fluid retention, which can lead to shortness of breath and hospitalization. Reduce the high intake of saturated fats and sugar. It is advisable as an adult to try to cut down on your saturated fat intake and choose foods that contain unsaturated fats instead. Such foods include vegetable oils and sprays, oily fish, and avocados. Get active and maintain a healthy weight. Getting active and maintaining a healthy weight is about lifestyle that includes healthy eating, regular physical activity, and balancing the calories you consume with the calories your body uses on a day-to-day activity. Maintaining a healthy body weight can protect you from a variety of illnesses. By assessing your body healthy weight and maintaining it as much as possible, you will be armed with additional tools to stay in shape and live longer. Here are a few physical activities I listed for the aged. 1. Balance activities for the older adults. 2. Muscle strengthening activities. 3. Walking. By walking as an adult, this can relieve you of pain, depression, worry, and also ease off stress. Thanks for participating. I want you to also note that health is wealth. I hope to see you in the subsequent times as we progress in this study. Thanks, and God bless.